Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Y'all, I got two Ipsy boxes. I don't know what's what. I'm assuming one is the base Ipsy and maybe one is the base Boxy or either the Icon box. I don't know. You know, they've combined Ipsy and Boxy and I honestly have no idea what's going on. I'm going to open them in different videos, but I may just use this intro for both of them because I don't know what's going on. So, yeah. I'm going to open this one first. We're going to see it because I think this is the base Ipsy. Now, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a makeup and beauty subscription. Like I said, they have combined with Boxy, so there are still 3 different subscriptions. There's the base, which is their Glam Bag, where you get 5 sample to full-size products. Well, they call it a deluxe sample. For $13 plus a $1.99 handling fee, so really almost $15. You get those 5 products. You get to pick one of those. I can't remember if I picked this time. There's been so much going on. Y'all already know. Then you have the Glam Bag Plus, or the Boxy, you know, I think it may be called something else now. Honestly, I don't know. You get 5 full-size products. It's $29.99. I'll just tell you, with instead of the separate and all that, you get to pick 3 of those 5 products. And then they're going to have the Icon box, will be 7 to 8 full-size products. You get that 4 times a year, so it's a seasonal box, and it's $59.99. For those, you get to pick 3 of those items as well. If you would like to try Ipsy, Boxy, whatever it is now, I'm so confused. I do have a referral link down below where you can go through my account to get it. I really appreciate it if you do, because it does help me out a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can get them like maybe 1 of each version a month, so I won't have so much makeup coming in all the time. And I can, you know, scale back, but I can still see what's in each version of the box. So, who knows what you're going to see from me? I have no idea. It's just craziness here right now. We're just going to open this box and see what's inside. Well, bag. It's a bubbly bag. It's a pink bubbly bag. That's what it is. Discover yourself. All right. In here, look at the bag. It's cute. It's got this little ribbon pull and the white with the blue flowers. Very cute, very simple. It says April 2023, anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and Boxycharm together under Ipsy to create the ultimate beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month, after all. Experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. All right, very cute. They also have, by the way, this, once you are subscribed, you get access to their sales, which are amazing, like 70 to 80% off of these brand name products, which is great. I love the sales. I have to refrain or I can spend hundreds of dollars, but really I'm getting so much more than what I'm paying for. The moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued at $70 or more are yours. So on the inside, it does show me what I'm getting. Score epic savings. We're keeping all the deals you love and adding some new ways to score. So you have add-ons. You'll still have access to add-ons to customize your box even more. Reminder, starting on the 2nd of each month, you can choose up to 10 add-ons, all starting at $3.50, plus they're shipped free. Then you have the Ipsy Shop, your 24/7 access to the best beauty sale isn't going anywhere. The always-on Ipsy Shop is here to stay with new juicy drops every single week, as are the fan favorites flash sales, which start at just $5. Then they have the mega drop sale. Your deals are about to get even better. We're now offering mega drop shop quarterly sales where you can snag membership exclusive deals up to 80% off on hundreds of top brands and products. All right, so let's just look at the box. Oh, it says look good, do good. Sorry if y'all can hear that little beeping in the background. My sisters are texting me. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to pull all this out. All right, there's my 5 products. I wanted to show you the inside of this. This is a canvas bag. It's not, normally they do ones where they're easy to clean, but this is canvas. I guess you could wash it. Let me see if it says made in Myanmar. It doesn't say if it's washable or not. I would think you could, because it would get dirty being white. That's what I think of. The zipper's a little stiff on it too. I don't love that the zipper is so stiff on it. Okay, let's get started. I'll just go from top to bottom. So, Grown Alchemist. This is hand cream. Actually, do I have some of this? I might have some of this. This is the Grown Alchemist Hand Cream Vanilla and Orange Peel. This award-winning hand cream is brimming with flavonoids, omega fatty acids, and antioxidants from precious rose petal oil, rose hip oil, sea buckthorn berry, and wheat germ oils to help rejuvenate and replenish your dry hands into the soft and supple state. Tip: use this on just washed, slightly damp hands for a boost of moisture. This is a deluxe size sample. The MSRP of a full-size version of this is $26. So, there is that. And let me see if I can open it. I mean, I'm not going to unseal it because I do think I have some of this. But that's what it looks like. I'm trying to get together a basket for a raffle we're going to do for some of the teachers through the church, so I don't want to open a lot of stuff if I don't have to, because I want to put it all in the bag for the teachers. I know, I'm weird. Okay, Billion Dollar Brow. This I may also have. Billion Dollar Brows Mini Micro Pencil in Taupe. It says, build the brows of your dreams with this precision tip pencil that helps you create realistic brow hairs with every stroke. The buildable pomade formula goes on as smoothly, no tugging or skidding here, and lasts all day, even in water. Tip: define your brows by outlining the shape and filling in with hair-like strokes. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version is $16. So it has the little spoolie on one side and then the taupe on the other. I don't want to open it because I think I may have it. That was in there. Next we have, they send us this brand a lot. And I don't know, I just haven't ever been really blown away. This is the Shaina B Miami. Is that how you say that? I don't know, I feel like we get this a lot. This is a free eyeshadow duo. Can you name a more iconic eyeshadow duo? These perfectly paired pigments are buttery and smooth, never streaky or patchy, and ultra breathable. Make it easy to go from subtle to dramatic in the blink of an eye. Tip: use the shimmery shade on the inner corners of your eyes to make them pop. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version is $23. And that is what it looks like. And again, I don't want to touch it because I think I may have it. It says, it doesn't say the specific names of the colors or anything. That's what it says on the back. I don't know. What do y'all think about that? I wish they wouldn't send the same brand all the time, because it does make me feel like I get the same stuff over and over. Ren Skincare. I do like Ren Skincare. Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So I like using an oil cleanser. Every time I put makeup on, the first thing I do is use an oil cleanser. You know, you don't wet or anything. You just put this on, you spread it out, and then you just kind of wet your hands and spread that out a little more, and then you wipe it off, wash it off, and then I use another cleanser. So I'm making sure I get every bit of the makeup off of me because I tend to wear a lot. Actually, I have less on today than usual, not counting the bright lips. But that's what that is. And I'm not going to open this one either because I've got one open right now I'm using. It says, this transformative face wash starts out as a jelly and turns into a deep cleansing oil before its final phase as a milk that helps gently melt off all the dirt and debris of the day for a soft clean complexion. Tip: do not wet your face before use. This jelly works best while applied on dry skin. Yeah, I said that. Deluxe sample full-size version is $37. Yeah. I don't know how I know some of this stuff. I guess YouTube, TikTok. I just watched and picked it up. Okay, last thing. I'll stop rambling. This is the MoBeauty Conditioning Lip Balm. I'm actually going to open this one. Juicy and nutritious lips are at your fingertips with this smoothing lip balm. Its hydration boosting ingredients help your lips stay moisturized, soft, and supple with a hint of sheer pink tint that makes your pout look luscious. Tip: use this in the evening before going to bed and wake up with replenished lips. This is a full-size version and it's $8. So y'all can actually see what I'm showing you. Cute, elegant packaging. Let's see if we can see any pink. Kinda. Barely. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. You can see the shine of it. My lips were feeling dry anyway. I like the way it feels. I like the way it smells. It's got pink on it now from my lips, but yes, definitely this will get used. All right, so what did y'all think of this Ipsy bag? You have the cute little baggie, the lip balm, the oil cleanser, the jelly oil cleanser, the brow defining brush, the eyeshadow duo, and the hand cream. Do you think it was worth $15? I'm not sure. I don't know. I mean, really, honestly, if you went somewhere to go get one of these bags, you'd probably pay $10, $15 for a bag. So maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's not. I want to hear y'all's opinion. Y'all let me know what you think. Do you think it was worth it? Do you like the products? Have you used any of these products? Is there something else you'd recommend? I want to hear all of that. I'd also appreciate it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Press the notification bell. And if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping this room, which I am slowly doing and slowing down on a bit, but getting new equipment, things like that, there are two ways to do that. You can press the super thanks down below with all those buttons, or you can go to Buy Me a Coffee, Unboxed by Gina. I'll put a link below in the description if you want to do either of those. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.